Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be kind of guiding you guys on the DG member levels in Heartopia. So it has different requirements for kind of almost each level. It started from 0 to 10 to 20 to 30 medals required to level up: 40, 50, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 200, 20 to 40, and I think 260 because I haven't unlocked the rest yet, so I'm not able to see past level 47. So I have to be level 40 in order to see how much medals I need to unlock level 50, which you can then get the um hobby upgrades for after level 10, like the premium hobby upgrade tickets. You'll need to be level 50 in order to get that. Now, if you just started to play this game, to get to level 50, you'll have to acquire medals in a span of 126 days. That's the estimate because I think I missed one day of playing. No, actually it doesn't matter because I counted it differently. But it will take about that much to reach level 50. But for me, I think, wait, let me count and see how many more days I need to reach level 50. Okay, so I just counted from my current level, which is DG member level 37, and right now I have 40 medals. So starting from tomorrow, it's going to take me 2 months to reach level 50. So I just literally counted how many levels, how many medals needed per each level, and added them up all together and divided by 50, because you can only get 50 per day, which is so unfortunate. I wish they made another way for us to get medals, because it does take so long to upgrade levels. So it's gonna take me 62 days ish to reach level 50. So I'll see you then in 2 months, guys, and I'll be level 50 if you are still playing the game. But I don't know, I like chill games. It's cozy and I like it, so I will be playing until I reach level 50 so I can show you guys the um premium upgrade tickets. I keep on forgetting what they're called. Yes. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.